Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to be making glazed carrots. It is perfect for a Thanksgiving side, and these are the ingredients. And we start off by adding a little bit of olive oil to a hot pan. And now we add our baby carrots. I am using baby carrots, but you can use regular carrots. You can cut them into cubes, into big, small cubes, rectangles, whatever you like. Everything works. We're just gonna saute these for about 15 minutes under medium-low heat. Once the 15 minutes have passed and they have turned a little bit brownish, we can now start adding our water. We're gonna add about 1.5 cups of water, or until the carrots are all covered, just like I'm showing you right here. And we cover this and we simmer for about 15 minutes or until they are tendered. Once they are tender, like I'm showing you right here, it is time to add our butter. I have 3 tablespoons of butter that I'm going to add to our carrots, and we are going to stir this and combine everything together. I am also going to be adding half a teaspoon of garlic, and we give this a quick little stir again. And now it's time to add our brown sugar. I have 1/4 cup of brown sugar. I am also going to add 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. Whatever brand you have, it's fine. I'm also going to add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I'm also going to add 1/4 teaspoon of pepper and 1/4 teaspoon of thyme, just like I'm showing you here. We are also going to add half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Give it a little bit more of flavor, 1/4 teaspoon of paprika. I'm also going to add the juice of 1 lemon, just like I'm showing you right here. And then we give this a little stir. We combine all the ingredients together, and we cook this for about 10 minutes on low-medium heat. And after 10 minutes have passed, our glazed carrots are ready to be served. You can garnish these with parsley and it'll taste delicious. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as I did. This is a perfect Thanksgiving side. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give me thumbs up, and comment below. Enjoy, guys. Bye.